Withdrawal speed depends on the bingo platform, payment method, account verification, and the specific withdrawal request, so there is no universal payout time that applies to every bingo game in 2026. For a useful ranking, compare the platform's stated processing time, the payment method it supports, and whether withdrawals can be delayed by identity verification or account reviews. Number 5 is Bingo Bashi.again. It is primarily a free-to-play bingo game with virtual rewards, so it does not fit the same cash withdrawal category as regulated real-money bingo platforms. Check the current reward and purchase rules before treating any in-game balance as cash. Number 4 is Bingo Blitzway. It also focuses on virtual gameplay and rewards, rather than a standard cash-out system. That makes it unsuitable if your main requirement is withdrawing real money quickly. Number 3 is Bingo Tour.a. Where cash prize gameplay is available, the withdrawal process depends on the payment method and eligibility requirements. Check the current cashier page before entering a paid game. Number 2 is Bingo Cashin.a. Its support documentation states that withdrawals can take up to 14 days to process, while also saying players usually receive funds within 2 business days. That gives you a specific published time frame to compare against other platforms. Number 1 should be whichever eligible bingo platform currently provides the fastest verified withdrawal method for your account. A platform advertising instant payouts does not guarantee that every withdrawal will arrive instantly. There are several reasons a withdrawal can take longer than expected. First, check whether your identity has been verified. Some cash prize platforms require verification before releasing funds. Second, check the payment method. A platform may process the withdrawal quickly, while the payment provider takes additional time to make the funds available. Third, check the minimum withdrawal requirement and any processing fee before requesting the payout. Fourth, check whether your location is eligible for real money gameplay and withdrawals. Rules can vary depending on where you live. Do not pay another person to speed up a bingo withdrawal. Use the official withdrawal process provided by the game. Also separate virtual bingo apps from real money bingo. An app can have instant virtual rewards without offering any cash withdrawal at all. The key points are simple. Published processing times matter, payment methods affect the final arrival time, and instant does not guarantee immediate funds. Your practical next step is to open the game's withdrawal page, verify the current processing time, and confirm the payment method before depositing money. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.